So now let's add in header and footer in our PDF document. Here you can see that I got a 2-page document without any header and footer. So in order to add them, I'm going to click on Edit PDF right here. And over here, you can see that there's an option for header and footer. So let me click that, and over here you can see that you can add, update, or remove the header and footer. So I'm going to click on Add. And over here, you can see that you can also have like select from save settings if you have saved some presets. But let's say I want to create it from scratch. I have nothing saved anyway, so I need to create it from scratch. So I can go over here, and here I can select my font of my choice. So let's say I want to select Mirrored Pro. So I'm going to press M right here, and then right over here there's Mirrored Pro Bold. So let me select that. I can select the size. So let's say that's going to be about 12 points, and I can even select the font color over here, and I'm going to select something like red. But note that the entire header and footer section will be colored red. You cannot select let's say red for header and then black for footer and so forth. You can also set the margins for header and footer from right over here. So on the left header text, I'm going to say tutor 2, and you can see that this is how it will appear. The center head text will be YouTube, and let's say the third header text will be a date right here. So third right header text will be a date. So I can actually go over here and press insert date right here, and that's inserted. But I don't actually want this type of a date format, so I can change the date format from right over here. And here you can see that you can actually select the type of date you want. So you can go over here. I want to select, let's say, this type of a format. No, maybe I want the date in the front. So this type of a format. And I'm going to press OK. And I want to replace that, insert date again. So I'm going to delete this, insert date again. I can also go over here and insert date over here, and the date will appear over here right besides YouTube. So let me give it a title as well. So over here, I'm going to say date and colon, and there you go, that's the date right here. On the right hand footer, I can also insert page number right here. So page numbers are inserted just like that. I can also go over here and set the page number format. So the page number format is actually 1. So I can actually go and select page 1 right here. So once I do that, I'm going to delete this. I have to delete and insert page number again for that to work. So page 1 just like this. And I can also add in some more things like a dash right here to make it look more fancy, just like that. So if I can also change the color as I want, just like this. So I'm just going to go back to red right here. So once I'm happy with everything, I can save the settings as well. I can create a preset. So this is a preset, just like this. And the colors, the font options, the margins, everything will be saved on this preset right here, just like that. So once everything is done, I can simply press apply to multiple files if I have multiple files. But in my case, I only have the same file itself, so I'm going to press OK. Once I do that, it added in the header and footer on both pages, as you can see, just like that. But that does not arrange the margin right here. So I can arrange the margin and edit this out. So I'm going to go into header and footer right here, and let's click on update. So I'm going to decrease the size of the font right here into something like 10, and the top margin is going to be much at the top. So I'm going to press OK, and it's going to update the heading, as you can see, and now everything is managed just like this. And if I want to remove the header and footer, which I kept by using this option, I can go over here and click on remove, and it asks me whether I want to permanently remove the header and footer. I'm simply going to say yes, and it has been removed. So that is how you can add, edit and remove header and footers inside of PDF documents by using Acrobat Pro DC. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.